it's time to cook those two pompanos I got yesterday. So this is my wife did. Okay, she put a tomato. What else? Lemongrass. What else, Mama? What else did you put? Ginger and sibuyas, onions, and the two heads are over there. And this actually way, I don't know how old this Spanish mackerel is. I kept like a few of them. This is the biggest one I believe I got. And the malunggay, moringa. This is we're gonna cook the heads with how we're gonna cook the heads? Tinula. I don't know what's the word in English for tinula. That's the Filipino word we use for it. Okay, so let's see how it's gonna look like when it's cooked. Okay, this is what my wife did for the mackerel. That's mackerel. She is frying it. And this is the pompano head. It's gonna be the tinola. Oh no, I forgot. I was too late. The pompano is gone. Oh, okay, that's the mackerel right there. That's how it looks like. Where's the head? Oh, my head's over there. There. That's the tinola pompano with the moringa. And this actually, oh no, yeah, forget it. It's sticking in there. Okay, that's how it looks, guys. That's what do you call that, Mama? Baked pompanos, and that's the mackerel right there. My wife just fried it. Okay, it's time to this is our lunch and dinner.